Meet the SCULPFUN H1, the world's first auto heat press with an upward pressure design built to give you flawless transfers every time. This is going to be a game changer for our church, our youth, basically anything we want to design. We can use this now for much quicker application. Unlike traditional downward presses, the SCULPFUN H1 lifts from the bottom up, distributing pressure evenly for perfect results on HTV like this, sublimation, vinyl, and much more. You can easily choose between 3 preset pressure levels: 40 kilograms, 60 kilograms, or 80 kilos. So whether you're pressing a thin t-shirt, a thick hoodie, or a pair of jeans, you're always going to get the perfect press. With dual tube heating, the press reaches 180 degrees Celsius in just 7 minutes, giving you fast, even heat across the entire 15 by 15 plate. It took no time at all for this to get up to 315 degrees, which is what I needed it at for what I was doing. The real-time digital display keeps you in control of the temperature, time, and pressure, ensuring consistent professional results every time. So even when I needed to let it cool off a little bit and go to a lesser degree, it kept me informed the entire time as the temperature was going down to reach what I needed it to be. This thing's really cool too if you are working around any children at all, because safety comes first. It has an auto shutoff after 15 minutes of inactivity. It also has built-in dual cooling fans that aren't very loud at all to prevent overheating and extend the life of your machine, so you can expect this is going to last a long time. It's got an intuitive touchscreen for beginners and advanced control for experts, so you can do exactly what you need it to at the right temp, the mode, the settings, the time. So it's perfect whether you are just starting out like we are or you're running a small business. You can upgrade your craft game with this machine. It's faster, safer, and smarter heat pressing at your fingertips. To do t-shirts like we used to have just an iron. We would have to do the front, and then the back, and then the front again. And with this, you've got a heat press on both sides, so it's making it completely even and so much faster. This is perfect for teachers who are running DIY craft classes, school workshop, churches like ours, great for community centers, libraries, where multiple people can use the machine, because it is going to be so much better than the smaller, less reliable press machines. And it's got that safety auto off feature for peace of mind. Because it heats up to 180 degrees Celsius in 7 minutes, it is perfect for people who need to create a lot of projects in a short amount of time.